Good noon, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God. My dear students, I am Popirani Mondol, Assistant Teacher of SM Model Gopt Primary School, Gopalganj Sodor, Gopalganj. Today I am present here again to take your English class from class 5. So, my dear students, please join with me. At first, I will show you some pictures. Do you want to show with me? Yes. Now, I will show you some interesting and important pictures. My dear students, please think about these pictures. Can you tell me what can you see in these pictures? Yes, here we can see the side of the river. The side of the rivers are falling in the water. The roads, houses, and trees are also falling. Mud. Here we can see mud. Mud are falling in the water. You know, this is the picture of river erosion. River erosion is a kind of natural disaster. Now it is rainy season. In this season, we often affected by river erosion. Many people lost their houses. Many people lost their land in this erosion. The poor people suffer most. In this picture, we can see full of water. The house, tree are falling in the water. People are leaving this place and they are going another place to save their lives. You know, sometimes it has been raining cats and dogs, and heavy raining causes flood. Often we are affected by flood. At present, we are affected by flood. Many villages are drowned in the water. Many people destroyed their assets, lost their land in this water. They became helpless. Flood is also a natural disaster. You know what is natural disaster? Natural disaster means bad climate, বিরূপ আবহাওয়া. My dear students, in this picture, you can see earthquake, ভূমিকম্প. প্রচণ্ড কম্পনে the buildings is falling on the ground. Not only the building, but also many trees, many land are falling, are dividing. Many people lost their lives. This is also a natural disaster. My dear students, here we can see heavy rain, heavy wind, a strong wind. The trees flew away with the wind. It it has been raining heavily. The lands are flowing with water. You know, it is called a storm. It is called a storm. ঝড় যখন প্রচণ্ড বৃষ্টি হয় সাথে বাতাস বইতে থাকে তখন সেটা আমরা বলি ঝড়। ঝড়ো হাওয়ায় দেখবে ঘরের চাল গাছপালা সব উড়ে যায়, ঘর বাড়ি তছনছ হয়ে যায়। তখন মানুষ সব কিছু হারিয়ে ফেলে। এলোমেলো আবহাওয়াতে তাদের জিনিসপত্র, তাদের লাইফ সব অনিরাপত্তায় ভোগে, তারা আশ্রয়হীন হয়ে পড়ে। My dear students, you know, we are affected by many storms like cyclone. Here we can see the picture about a storm. You know, in the last year, we are affected by a cyclone. Can you tell me what is the name of the cyclone? Yes, I know. You will all tell. The cyclone was Phony. Okay, my dear students, again we will show a video about a cyclone. Here we can see heavy rain, heavy wind, and bad climate, cloudy sky, nothing to see. Nobody here. মাঠ ঘাট সবই জনশূন্য। কি ভয়ঙ্কর একটা ডেঞ্জারাস সিচুয়েশন। প্রচণ্ড বাতাস, প্রচণ্ড পানি। তোমরা কি জানো এই সাইক্লোনটি কত সালে আমাদের বাংলাদেশে হয়েছিল? কেউ কি বলতে পারো? এটি একটা সাইক্লোন ঝড়ের ভিডিও। এটি কবে বাংলাদেশে হয়েছিল? তোমরা হয়তো অনেকেই ছোট ছিলে। এই সাইক্লোন ঝড়টির নাম আয়লা। এটি বাংলাদেশে হয়েছিল 25 মে 2009। হয়তো তখন তোমরা ছোট ছিলে, কেউ হওনি। আমরা দেখেছিলাম, তোমাদের দাদা দাদি বা মা বাবা দেখে থাকবেন। আজ আমরা সেই গল্পটিই পড়ব। এই যে সাইক্লোন যার নাম ছিল আয়লা, এই সাইক্লোন আয়লাকে নিয়েই আজকে আমাদের টপিক। সো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, টুডেস লেসন ইজ সাইক্লোন আয়লা, ইউনিট 24, পেজ নাও 95. Please open your book and at first I will read the lesson. You will follow me. Please notice the pronunciation. Open your English book, page now 95. Cyclone Aila. Our topic is Cyclone Aila. Babul and his family live on the island of Dublarchar. Dublarchar is a place which is situated in the district of Bhola. Dublarchar, it is an island, deep. Babul and his family live on the island of Dublarchar. Life is good for the family now, but that was not true after Cyclone Aila. Babul does not remember Cyclone Aila, but his parents often talk about that terrible night in 2009. Terrible, dangerous night when the Cyclone Aila happened. On 25th May, Babul's family don't forget it, doesn't forget that night. Babul's father had a grocery shop and his mother worked in a fish farm. They had a small house that they shared with Babul's grandparents. Babul was just a baby, but his sister Nipa was 6 years old. My dear students, I will repeat the lesson again. Please put your finger on the line and follow me. Babul and his family live on the island of Dublarchor. Island, land that is surrounded by water. Deep, island means deep. চারিদিকে পানি দ্বারা আবৃত. Life is good for the family now, but that was not true after Cyclone Aila. Babul does not remember Cyclone Aila, but his parents often talk about that terrible night in 2009. Terrible means dangerous, ভয়ঙ্কর, ভয়ানক. Babul's father had a grocery shop. Grocery shop, do you know? Varieties store or departmental store where we can buy rice, flour, potato, everything, many kinds of things. And his mother worked in a fish farm. Fish farm, চিংড়ি খামার, মাছের খামার, fish farm. They had a small house and they shared with Babul's grandparents. Grandparents, father's father and mother, dada dadi. Babul was just a baby, but his sister was Nipa was 6 years old. My dear students, can you tell me where does Babul live? Yes, in the text we see Babul lives in Dublarchor. You know Dublarchor is a place, it is situated in the district of Bhola. Like Chor Fashion, Chor, etc. My dear students, can you tell me when did the Cyclone Aila happen in our country? Can you tell me? In the text we clearly see, we notice the date. The Cyclone Aila happened on 25th May 2009. Who had a grocery shop? Can you tell me? Yes? Please find the answer in your text. Yes, yes. Babul's father had a grocery shop. Okay, my dear students. Please open your khata and look at the picture. Now, we will find some new words from the text and we will learn or we will pronounce the new words and try to meaning the words. Here we see the word island. You know island. Island, land that is surrounded by water. That means দ্বীপ, পানি দ্বারা বেষ্টিত, চারিদিকে পানি দ্বারা বেষ্টিত থাকে, island. Island means land that is surrounded by water. Next, cyclone. You know cyclone. The story is about Cyclone Aila. Cyclone is a natural disaster. Is a natural disaster. Cyclone. Natural disaster. Grocery shop. In this story, we see Babul's father had a grocery shop. Grocery shop. Varieties store. We can say varieties store. Rokumari dokan. Departmental store also. Okay. The word is grocery shop. That means varieties store. Remember, remember, মনে রেখো. Don't forget, remember. Remember, স্মরণ করা. You know, remember means suppose. Suppose, mind it, mind it. Okay, my dear students, please notice the pronunciation. Island, island. Land that is surrounded by water. Cyclone, cyclone, natural disaster. Grocery shop, varieties store. Remember, suppose. Have you written it in your khata? Yes, I know you have written it. Okay. Next, we will practice some true false. Please take your book with you and take your khata with you. At first, we will fill the incomplete sentence. Here I will give you some incomplete sentences and you will complete the sentence. That means fill in the gaps. Question 1. Nipa was dash years old. Question 2. Babul's father had a dash shop. Question 3. Cyclone Aila attacked at dash in 2009. Question 4. Nipa's family lives on the dash of Dublar-Chor. My dear students, in your text, you will find the answer from the text. Text story. আমরা আমাদের বইয়ের সাহায্যে এই উত্তরগুলো খুঁজে নিতে পারি কি পারি না? হ্যাঁ। Question 1. Nipa was dash years old. You know, Nipa was 6 years old. So, answer is 6. Question 2. Babul's father had a dash shop. Babul's father had a grocery shop. Babul's father had a grocery shop. Question 3. Cyclone Ayla attacked at dash in 2009. In the text, we see Cyclone Ayla attacked at night in 2009. So, the answer is night. Question 4. Nipa's family lives on the dash of Dublar Char. Nipa's family lives on the dash. Yes, I know. You all know it. You all know the answer. Nipa's family lives on the island of Dublar Char. Have you written it? Have you finished it? Yes. Next, we will practice some true false. Here, I give you some questions, some statements. If the statements are correct, you write true. Or if the statements are incorrect, you write false. Okay? So, question 1. Babul's family lives in chor fashion. Babul's family lives in chor fashion. Is it correct? Yes, it is incorrect one. Babul's family lives in Dublar Chor. So, the answer is false. You can write false. Question 2. His mother is a worker of a fish farm. His mother is a worker of a fish farm. Yes, this is correct one. So, we can write here true. We know his mother is a worker of a fish farm. Question 3. Nipa was Babul's elder sister. Nipa was Babul's elder sister. Yes. On the day of Ayla, Babul was just baby. But then Nipa was 6 years old. So, Nipa was Babul's elder sister. It is correct one. We can write here true. Nipa was Babul's elder sister. Question 4. Babul was 6 years old then. No, in the text we can clearly see. Then Nipa was 6 years old. So, this is incorrect one. We can write here false. Question 5. They had a big house. My dear students, in the text we can see Babul lives in a small house. A small house. So, the statement is also incorrect. We can write here false. Okay, my dear students, have you finished it? Next, we will practice some questions and you will answer the question with the help of your textbook. তোমাদের বইয়ের গল্প দেখেই তোমরা এই প্রশ্নের উত্তর দিতে পারবে, তাই না? আমাদের বইয়ের ভিতরেই এই গল্পটি দেয়া এবং গল্পের সাহায্যেই আমরা উত্তর খুঁজব। Question A. Where does Babul's family live? Where does Babul's family live? Where does Babul's family live? In the text, we see Babul's family lives in Dublar Chor. Dublar Chor is a place, it is situated in the district of Bhola. So, the answer is Babul's family lives in Dublar Chor. Question 2. Who had a grocery shop? Yes, Babul's father had a grocery shop. So, question 2, who had a grocery shop? The answer is Babul's father had a grocery shop. Question 3, when did Cyclone Aila happen? It is a very important question. You know, in the text we can see the date and the year also. The date was 25th May and the year was 2009. So, the answer is Cyclone Aila happened on 25th May 2009. My dear students, question 4. Who was Nipa? Who was Nipa in the story? We see Nipa was Babul's elder sister. Babul's sister, Nipa. So, Nipa was Babul's sister. Question 5. How old was she? She, that means Nipa. How old was she? Yes, she was 6 years old. Nipa was 6 years old. Have you finished? Have you complete your writing? Yes, I know. You are all well. You have finished your writing. Okay, my dear students. In your home, you will practice some tasks. Now I will give you. Today we will learn about some natural disasters like flood, storm, river erosion, earthquake, and in the text we have learned about Cyclone Aila. My dear students, try to write 5 sentences about a natural disaster which happened in our country. You know, last year we are attacked by a cyclone that name was Phony, and some year ago we are attacked by a cyclone that name was Cedar. ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা, তাহলে তোমরা বাড়িতে বসে যে ঝড়টি তুমি সাইক্লোন ঝড় দেখেছো বা সাইক্লোন নাও হতে পারে, যে কোনো প্রাকৃতিক দুর্যোগ সম্পর্কে 5টি বাক্য আমাকে লিখে দেখাতে পারবে তো? তোমরা বাড়িতে বসে এটা প্র্যাকটিস করবে, তোমাদের টেক্সট বইয়ের হেল্পও নেবে এবং তোমাদের আমরা যে বর্তমানে ফ্লাডের এই যে ইন দ্য রেইনি সিজনে আমরা যে ফ্লাডের শিকার, আমরা হেল্পলেস হয়ে গেছি, কিভাবে অতিরিক্ত বন্যার ফলে আমাদের বাড়িঘর মাঠঘাট পানিতে ভেসে যাচ্ছে, লোকজন অসহায় হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আমরা কিন্তু ইচ্ছা করলেই পারি। ফ্লাড ইজ এ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট serious problem in our daily life and it is a natural disaster. So তোমরা বাড়িতে বসে যে কোনো একটা ন্যাচারাল ডিজাস্টার সম্পর্কে 5টি বাক্য অন্ততপক্ষে লেখা শিখবে এবং আমি আশা রাখব সবাই বাড়িতেই থাকবে, স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে চলবে এবং বই পৃথিবীর সবথেকে ভালো বন্ধু, কাজেই আমরা সব সময় বইয়ের সাথেই থাকব। Okay, my dear students, no more today. All the best. Thank you. Goodbye.